Hey everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to get extra months for free on ExpressVPN's 1 and 2 year plan, plus 1 additional month free when you use the discount link in the description. Now normally, if you go straight to the website without using any code, they may offer some months free on their plans. For example, one of the best deals they offer is $4.99 for their 1 year basic plan. And that usually includes a few bonus months added on, and right now, that's 3 extra months free. But using the discount link below, you'll get an additional month on top of that. So that's definitely a great way to lock in the best value ExpressVPN is offering right now. And Express now offers 3 different tiers for their plans: Basic, Advanced, and Pro. So that gives you more options depending on what features you're looking for and what works best with your budget. Now, aside from the extra months that you get, one of the biggest reasons to consider ExpressVPN is their track record around privacy and transparency. As of 2025, they've completed more than 20 independent audits, covering everything from their no logs policy to their RAM-only trusted server tech and their lightweight protocol. So instead of just saying they don't keep logs or that your data is private, Express has actually had outside firms verify it. And that's a huge plus when you're choosing a VPN based on how it handles your information. And then in terms of where Express is based, they're headquartered in the British Virgin Islands, which is outside any of the 5, 9, or 14 surveillance alliances. That means they're not under any data retention laws, and they aren't legally required to share user information with foreign governments. So again, that's another big reason why privacy-focused users tend to lean toward Express. Now, as for the infrastructure itself, you've got access to over 3,000 servers in 105 countries. And because these are spread out globally and not just clustered in North America or Europe, you'll have a pretty easy time finding a nearby server wherever you are, which helps keep performance strong whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing securely. And just like most VPNs, all plans with Express come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's no pressure if you want to try it out first and see how it works for your setup. Also, if you're looking for more details, like how Express handles streaming, torrenting, or how fast their servers are, I've included a link below to the full review, which will give you a closer look at all the features in case you want to dig in deeper. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions about the deal or anything else Express related, just drop those down in the comments. I always enjoy answering as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.